Hey traders, welcome back to this new video. In our previous video, we discussed about the rally base drop pattern, right? So in this video, we are going to discuss about the drop base drop pattern. Okay, so before discussing this pattern exactly, first we have to know what are the continuation patterns. The continuation patterns is nothing but it's a stop in the market before price resumes in a current trend. Okay, you need to understand this. Continuation pattern is a stop in the market before the price resumes in a current trend. So normally in an uptrend, it requires a rally followed by a base followed by another rally, right? A continuation pattern in a downtrend requires drop followed by base and followed by another drop. Okay, and this continuation pattern is composed of two types. One of them is drop base drop pattern. Okay, so in the continuation pattern, the market doesn't retrace. It stops for a while and enters in accumulation phase before moving strongly in the same direction. Okay, you need to remember that this. It pauses for some time and enters in an accumulation phase before moving strongly in the same direction. Let me show you a pattern here. Okay, this pattern happens in a downtrend. Okay, the market goes strongly down, and because of lack of the buying quantities or because of lack of the quantities, it accumulates for a shorter period of time to get enough quantities before moving strongly towards the down. Okay, I will repeat this again. This pattern happens in a downtrend. The market goes strongly down, and because of the lack of the quantities, it will accumulate for a short period of time to get enough quantities before moving strongly to the downward. Let us find some real-time examples on this pattern. Yes, here it is. This is a 4-hour chart, and you can see a clear drop base drop continuation pattern in this chart. And what happened? We can see a drop here, and for a while the market has accumulated and went into the consolidated mode here, and you can see this is a supply zone. Why I define this as a supply zone? Because after a huge drop, the market went into the consolidated period, right? So this level has tested multiple times. Okay, so when the market retraced back to test the zone, the price was rejected from this area. Okay, you can see this pin bar, this pin bar, and this pin bar. Okay, so these pin bars reject from this zone represents a clear confirmation to enter the market. And after that, you can see a clear drop here. Okay, the formation of this clear pin bar at the supply zone indicates that there are some significant limit orders left in the zone. So as a price action trader, you can enter immediately after the close of the pin bar. So your stop loss is above the pin bar and your profit target is maybe your next support level. So we will talk about this in our upcoming videos. For now, I want you to focus on learning how to identify these patterns in a live market.